Do you think it's time to toss your old drill? No way! Attach this TrueCoat 360 to turn it into an awesome cordless paint sprayer. With these ready-to-install solutions, you can easily turn your vehicle into a luxury motorhome in a single day. This futuristic sunshade won't just protect you from sunlight, it'll also look great on your house.
He can lift anything, including you.
Ooh, that bitch burning rubber.
I have found Maverick's new opponent. He even left the car behind.
Okay, power up.
You'll feel like a member of the Ghostbusters team while cleaning your yard with this vacuum litter picker. This drain cleaning air gun can help you unclog not only your sink, but even outdoor pipes blocked by branches and other garbage. That's what Mr. Proper needs if someone summons him to clean a golf field.
This guy decided to take care of his health by flying on the air conditioner instead of carrying it. All you need is 554 Tetra Pak bottles, cans, and their packaging to build a real solar-powered water heater.
The round table that moves smoothly to prevent the ball from falling off.
This guy has already spent 2 hours doing this exercise. He probably loves lifting weights so much. I bet that this is even more difficult than playing Dark Souls. I'd like to give my compliments to the chef. Meanwhile, the chef... What a useful solution for motorcyclists who hate wearing helmets.
While you're struggling to draw a line with a ruler, he just needs his crazy steady hand.
Cutting a log isn't a big problem, is it? But what if it lies on the ground and you can't lift it? That's where this bow chainsaw comes into play. Pulling shrubs out of the ground is extremely tiring if you have only a shovel. But things are different when you have this grubber and a tractor.
By using a batten, a worker can lay bricks 3 times faster than everyone else.
That's it for today, friends. Tell us in the comments what hack you think was the most useful. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. See ya!
When the hive is full, they're separated from it. Deploying flares using the Air Force.
Just install an anti-aircraft gun on this robot, add some dudes with blasters, and we'll be a step closer to the vehicles from Halo. If you combine Transformers and women's fashion, you'll get these awesome shoes.
Even with his eyes blindfolded, he excelled in this challenge.
Take a break from pedaling and turn your bike into an e-bike with bimodal, which, by the way, is charged by the movement of the wheel. This hauling tool will become your personal loader. It can easily help you move things over ledges and even stairs. Your back will definitely appreciate it.
There's something mesmerizing about watching creative workers in action. They come up with ideas you never would have imagined. Get ready to be blown away as WOW Tech has compiled a series of innovative workers at different levels for you to marvel at. How to turn your jeans inside out with minimal effort.
Despite its tiny size, this smart carrier can transport up to 2.2 tons of wood anywhere.
Using hexagonal bricks combined with light to create an impressive sphere.
Do you want to be the coolest person at the party? Then this flexible OLED smart speaker from Samsung is what you need. With this gadget, you can become a professional barista in a few minutes. Does anybody know why Optimus Prime decided to change his look?
Jason threw the axe in the right place 3 times in a row, making these girls go crazy. His incredible flexibility made me think he's a noodle.
Yes, working with glue is normally a sticky mess, but not this time, because with this glue application tool, sticky messes are a thing of the past. Now anyone can become a craftsman thanks to this tool, which adds tremendously to the accuracy of using a drill. Now, let's peek into the future and check out how a laser welding machine can speed up your work and perfectly weld aluminum.
She made her work easier by walking on stilts with ease.
These sculptures are a mind-blowing mix of technology, art, and creativity. Can a robot write a symphony? No, Will, but it can give you a relaxing massage.
Ooh, shoulders, little naughty girl.
If this man joined in a boating competition, he would definitely win the championship. When you want to become a carpenter, but become a chef under family pressure,
Hey, why don't we turn boring grass cutting into an effortless bike ride with this ingenious solution?
See the way these three men roll the water pipes? This giant cement cake is iced so smoothly with this method.
the combination of a vacuum excavator and a pump makes digging holes easier. A stainless steel barrel is fabricated using this method. This knitting tool can totally mesmerize you.